yet to get the answers as a country. As a nation, we are needing answers. We need to look at this in a way that is not just the surface. We need to get to the bottom of the truth. Now, I'm at Bedview College. It's around 5 o'clock on a weekday. So there's gonna be school kids that are gonna come around here. We will get to the bottom of the truth. Be it they talk to us, they do not talk to us, but we can see for ourselves. If there is a security guard here at the gate and the child is sweeping in the class, they have to tell us which class she was sweeping at and what is likely to have happened. Bear with me. We might be chased away. People might be willing to talk to us. I don't know what is going to happen. And thank you so much for coming to this on this journey with me.
Sanibona me. Ninjani? Ndive ngathi uthetha isiSuthu watshintsha ngoku. Hayi ndithetha isiXhosa. Qha ndizama ke ngoku zonke indlela zokubana ndikwazi uthetha le nto ithethwayo. Ningaba lapha kiteng. Nikumecheni nani ngabahlali ngalento. Niyibelieve konke le nto.
Ayinazagala inyani. Le ngalo principal ukuba uthisha ngaza kanjani. Una high school. A saved man. Ashiya abantwana abadala le ezansi apho principal khona azoripha usana anyuke.
Kaloku kuthiwa nguprincipal walapha.
Mina ndayiphuma lo
muntu ku principal ngoba ephethe zonke
izikolo.
Sesi kaloku esi primary ne high school.
Yena use high school kukude but high school kule ezansi zansi tshana lezansi. Asuke ke specially uzoripha umntwana omnye ubashela ntona babadala. Mina ndiye ndayiphuma wabona ukuthi xa kusishona le ukuqoqela nto kodwa ke kwasekuqaleni ndandisithi ukuqoqa. And ke mna bendingafuni ukuthi abahlali bandazi because ubefuna i-address yalamlungu lisebenze naye innocent man saved ozihlalele kwakhe unabantwana ndekhola 4.
Awandi noba usenguprincipal ya
kuthiwa uresign kaloku uba uye wabaleka kaloku.
I want to take you with me to the high school ukuba indawo. Just for the sake of telling the story. Ngiqale kuyo ke high school. Nansi high school. It's Conreza is a Gqibeleni of the town, whereas the primary school is at the other side of the town. Now, there is real researching.
Hi, Mulin. Khona ninjani? Anisi yapha Bedview. Okay, ndi-journalist. Ndizawuzongena apha kuvula like abantu uprincipal okho ngabani xesha?
Principal asinayo thina.
Aninaye? What do you mean?
Principal angithi kwasuka igwami njalo sinayo principal.
Akasekho principal?
Hayi no, yabona nje ukuthi ujournalist nje ndoni.
Sizawulinda ke masilinde abe free. Security law sizawuyazi into yokuba yenzekele phi lexhwayelo kwezi class. See about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 classes. Mistress engene yabona kumiss ngoyena mntu onosinika umkhondo ntoni nje asazi kuze bawile ngakanani na uthetha. strong, but nangumise ngena yena. Into ezingaka.
I'll call the HOD for you.
Okay, now.
Yes, she's here now.
Oh, okay, great.
Please do not mistake Udedi by the gate as the alleged other perpetrator. He just got here. Umcha, he's not the one that is in question.
View of the school.
I saw your face somewhere.
Yes. Oh, please.
TikTok.
Yes. I saw you. Me, I'm a researcher. I'm reporting on this justice for
Oh, but can you, what have you got? I mean,
I can put these things.
sorry? Correct, but you will also understand that the National Prosecuting Authority has issued a press release.
Yes.
Okay, what does the press release say? That's basically the situation.
Clearly.
Sorry, this is you, eh?
Yes.
So you're an activist,
Yes.
not a reporter.
I am a reporter because I'm reporting on activism matters.
Which the police is still investigating. So they've told us not to hamper the investigation by making press releases and things like that.
Did not get the permission to post him, hence not showing his face. Look, when I do these things, this research, I don't show people's face most times because, for obvious reasons, you understand. Voice over direct but unfortunately, I couldn't find anyone inside, so I had to move on with my journey. Now I'm leaving the SAPS. I'm getting escorted to the detectives' headquarters.
What if?
Right? Shut up. Skit in down.
No, errand.
I'm always skit. The clinic, you go.
Sorry?
Clinic.
Eh?
Ikai. Kimo. Agudla? Oh.
Hello, baby.
Kalabos.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, igama lam ndingubutlu. I did say ndizaba lapha eMaluti namhlanje in Matatiela, Eastern Cape. This is Ilali where kuphi kanene apha kai koMaluti skiti ki kai ki ka kwana ki Maluti pleke e. Oh, ki batla ngwana Eric Cwecwe o dula kae? Cwecwe ngwananyana e trendang. O dula kae? Re tshwe ngwana. Yeah. Wa mitsi o dula kae? O dula mo? Kambatla. Ngihlobutsisa bathu. Man vele ndibuze directly. Have you heard of Lamdana Otrendayo? Urechiweyo apha eMatatiela? Awumazi? Kokwabo.
Cwecwe. The girl that is trending. Do you know ukuthi uhlala kuphi? Are you sure?
Like, how much do you know? Like, what was he in when? Because kuthiwa ngwalapha eMatatiela.
EMaluti.
Kuthiwa udula mo koMatatiela koMaluti. Wayithi ing wena?
Ke tseba ho.
Wayithi. Okay, kaloku.
Sharp ke baby. Sure.
Okay, sina.
Ngiyajabula mntana.
Isigidi siso ke madoda. Abantwana abanokwazi bangachameka ngoku. Babe nento abayazi.
Molweni guys. You're right. Siphila. Okay guys, ukholo mna le from Mthatha ne.
Yo hayi. Asisayazi thina sasiyazi thina. Besithi sifanjana. Asisayazi ngosazi nabaxoka nabangani.
Hayi koki.
Yo
Anyana siyazi.
Nathi sifuna inyani ke ndiqaleni.
Nathi sifuna inyana sifuni ngoku.
Kubelieve uprincipal okanye umama okanye balibali.
Inyani leyo ba umama ucocobotshiwe ngo.
Hayibo, niza nenye.
Yo.
Yo. Ngwana nje.
Baka video. Ana totokima. Oh, ngwana na trenda. Hakitsi basiba batho ho tuteka maluti. I don't know.
Ka
Sana biscuit.
Basket. Chikai. Bani izongena kanje. Bani ngaza khona indlela lapha ngizombonisa. Lapho uyakho. Ngizonya khona izomhlophe afro sister.
Okay, ngiyela up. Then iyaphinda inyuke.
Mawunyuka nje khona indlela lapha.
Omhlophe. Okay, mnandi. Yinona yami. Wena wazi intoni ngale nto? Lo mntana. Like, what's your view? Kasondela,
so ngendlela oblusha ngayo.
sondela.
Undiphe nezikupazi.
Angazi ukuthi ngingasho because ayiphambili so ngibona ade ayikho. Ngoba ayiphambili because ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu wokuyenzela kade akhona. Ngithi ukuthi kufanele wapha kokwabo ikhona into abayazi
Bodwa. Oh. Yeah. Hayi sixakiwe ngathi ndasikhaya. Ngozi xakene lento so yabona uyazi like.
Uthi awucinga ukuba kutheni?
Ndiyacimba isesikolweni.
Oh.
So kahle no.
Why usithi akho sesikolweni kodwa wonke umuntu uthi kusesikolweni?
Uthi if bekuthiwa esikolweni andithi yenzekile esikolweni thina mabe bengambonanga xa ifika bazombona ngakusasa.
Iwarishwa ngende ukuthi warishwa mara warishwa after how many days ngoba ndabona edlala nabanye abantwana ndabona edlala nabanye abantwana
Unisala lapha njani?
Uthi wambona ngeziphi insuku? Wayibona ingane ngathi
silithi ndaba nambona edlala apha edlala nabanye abantwana yena lo mntana ukuthi urishiwe
Ngoba
vele kuyobuza le buzo bona sisiko apha ngathi sokudayisiwe vela
uthengisa kwa umzi?
Okay ngiyo.
ngathi thengiwe abalinde abantu abazobona
Yo.
Into ezikanjalo anikhona uba ndizilandelele kakuhle.
Okay, wena mnase.
Indaba le ngayithola ngangisebenza so nje nami ndandibona apha nje kwi-podcast akukho ndabona ukuqala kwami ukuyiva live kahle ndibona i-podcast kamama ku-Facebook. Ngiyala kandazi.
But umntana niqina umbone nini umntana?
Mina ndandisambona nini before bezawuhamba apha nje awumbona nje na ukuthi
uyadlala umntana akho nto ingathi kwenzeke something
because uqala ukudlalela phakathi kulaa mzi loya
lo me abaya
ngapha kukhona ilo bayokha lapha ilo ihamba ya ujwayele uhamba udlala phaya but ubejwayele ukudlula la but mina indlela bendimbona ngayo since ndimazela ukuthi ukwenzekeni ngaye bendibona nje ukuthi hayi
akhona
but
ubona ukuthini awucaci ubona ukuthi hayi andazi
mina mina since like ngimazela ukuthi yena kwenzekeni ngayabo mhlawumbe mayihamba apha uRachel because indlela behamba ngayo ngekutsho na uRachel but
yena ngumlo Rachel uyambona mos
but mhlambe ke because indlela
abantu abafana
mhlambe just because wavela seke right mhlambe yeah sazi ke otherwise nasambona seke at least
the rape was reported. Can you confirm if there was rape or not?
I cannot confirm that. Mna ndingumphumzi Zuzile. I'm the spokesperson for the department, for the MEC for social development.
Spokesperson for the province?
For the MEC for social development in the Eastern Cape.
We've been interested as the public. Kumeta, Justice for Cwecwe. The whole country was on a standstill. We did Justice for Cwecwe. When did it come to your attention?
The specific case came to our attention on the 16th of October when her mother took her to one of our Tutuzela care centers in Matatiele. That's when our social workers that are based in that Tutuzela care center became involved in the case. From the 16th to date, social development has been working with the family. We do not ascertain. Department of Social Development doesn't ascertain whether there was a rape or not.
You are still in contact with the family. Just if you can take me through, how are you assisting?
As I'm saying, sir, we are dealing with the child. We are not going to go into the details of what is it, ABC, this is what we do on a Monday, this is what we do on a Tuesday. But Ike's when she was moved from Matatiele when she moved from Matatiele to King Williamstown, our social worker did a report. When she got here, she is involved with the social worker. Our social worker from the province, the department, and social worker from the Department of Education, they are dealing with the matter in King Williamstown.
Oh, okay. No, I think that's what I wanted to confirm. If the child is in good hands, is meeting with the social, is getting the psychological assistance.
She is, unless there's a new development that she's not. But from the Department of Social Development, she is still getting the assistance.
Mfemba Umdana is okay, we are fond and all
the
those
child
things.
is going to a school in King Williamstown, according to social workers, and she is doing very well at school.
Or did you have anything to do with the move? I hear you said
we don't get involved in such. The parent, because she still has parents, the parents decide, and we support what the parent is doing. We do not decide on behalf of the parent what the child should do.
Was there interaction with the victim's family? I just want to confirm. With your investigation, did you get to interact with the victim's family?
The district was in consultation with that parent after the parent itself had a chat had made a complaint.
Yes.
That this is how she's treated at the school after an acclaimed incident, that which as a parent she was claiming, and then the district came into play, and it coming into play also was to say, you do understand that this is an independent school, and these are the limitations that the department has. The MEC had to then say, okay, fine, I hear the report. Let me then hear further the explanation. And when he got the report and sat down and analyzed, and he called the legal team of the department to look at what could be the avenue. The instant avenue was to give a notice.
Okay.
I must make a clarity. It's a notice. Notice. Uba anincedisani ne-SAPS sizokunivala.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button awulungile uqaphasha iTikTok ledume kakhulu ayihambela lapha eMatatiyele iyo investigator indzaba yabani iyaqwela case yaqoqwe and ngiyo lama interview lebe nawo nebantu lawa some faces were hidden ukuthi bakhona phela abantu ukuvikeleka and some were not. I hope uya like le video, uya subscribe if you haven't, and do comments down below what do you think or what's your take about this issue. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.